One aspect you really wanted to know about, how does this sound? And now, let's hear this. I'll take my mic closer to the exhaust. And this is how this new Jawa sounds. Obviously different from the earlier one, the previous one, the one which everyone keeps talking about. But yeah, this does sound grunty. And company has made lots of effort to make it sound like this, which somehow resembles the older one. But obviously we know those were two-stroke ones, this is four-stroke one. So the result, I think, is interesting, and it sounds really grunty and very forceful. So it's nice.